Alright, welcome to one of the most iconic hotels in the US. This is the Arizona Biltmore, and yeah, you feel it the second you walk in. This place has been welcoming guests since 1929, making it almost 100 years old. Over the years, nearly every US president, from Herbert Hoover through George W. Bush, has stayed here. And honestly, I get why they come. Maybe for a round of golf. Or a quick tennis match in the desert sun. The hotel itself is huge, but it never feels overwhelming. You've got classic architecture mixed with a very clean modern vibe. You walk around and every corner feels different. And then suddenly, another pool. And I mean that literally. Big social pools, quiet adults-only corners, family pools. There's something for every mood. If you want calm, you'll find it. If you want energy, it's right there too. That balance is honestly what makes this place special. And evenings usually ended right here at the pool bar. Nachos, a cold drink, desert air cooling down. This is exactly how Arizona evenings should feel. For food, we mostly stayed on property. Breakfast and dinner at the main restaurant MacArthur's. And this is where Hilton for Luxury really made a difference. During summer we booked a stay 3 pay 2 deal. That alone saved us about $300. On top of that we stacked Diamond benefits and Hilton for Luxury perks, both at the same time. From Diamond status we got $50 per day in on-property credit. Then through Hilton for Luxury we added $100 per stay and $60 per day for breakfast. So over just 3 nights we came out to $430 in total credits. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. We also got a room upgrade to a balcony room. Modern, quiet and perfectly located in Paradise Wing. Waking up to mountain views, zero noise, just calm. Exactly what you want after a long day in the heat. And one thing I always check when I travel, the gym. Fully equipped, clean, never overcrowded. Perfect if you want to keep your routine while you're here. When you do want to head out, getting around Phoenix was super easy. We even used Waymo a couple of times. Zero hassle. And one last thing, next time I'm back here as Diamond Reserve. I make sure to show you the Citrus Club too. See you out there. Your Alex from GajaDreams.com.